and me are super excited because guess what today is? Today is haircut day. We're finally getting our haircut. It's been almost a year for me. Mom and I are off. We are going to get our haircut. Hopefully Robin will let me take some video of her cute little shop. And I'll share that with you. But yeah, see you on the flip side. And oh my gosh, look at my cute haircut. I love it. And as always, my girl Robin did a fabulous job. Now, I talked to her about taking some video of her adorable little shop. But we're going to wait until it gets a little bit more springy looking because in the middle of winter it looks a little bit bare. So we're going to wait. She has a beautiful flower garden that she can't wait to show off and let you guys all see it. So that will be coming because now that I have a fabulous haircut, I will be getting it done regularly. And I can't wait to put some color in. All right. Take good care of yourselves. I will see you soon. Bye now.